Right, that was session 2. First time we mapped out all of it, literally from there all the way there. Thin outlines, grey wash lines, and all that stuff. And then today we blasted all in. And then I started from here. I pretty much did all that till about there with 15 mag. All those. That section there I free-handed. And then if you turn that way. Yeah, there was this guy had before, and then I took his cloak and then brought it up and then turned into smokes, and then turned that into the background, so all that links in. That's his logo. We should add some color someday.
Yeah.
I think it would just
like
need
subtle shade.
Yeah, and then he created himself this from how many images? A couple images now.
This was like a few mid-journey prompts.
Yeah.
And then I put these guys in myself. This was like Warhammer 40k custodians, like just reworked into just normal knights.
He did all the heavy lifting. I did the tattooing. He did the designing, and then if you turn a little bit that way, and then we also me being fancy, I made some sections on the star lighter because the smoke goes through. He says that's shit. Let's do all black. I just did all black. I was when I was doing all the black. Now I was thinking me that day trying to make this fade nice and he's like, nah, fuck it, black. And I'm like, okay. But then this is session number 2, and then it's kind of cool where the grey wash has healed lighter, and now the ghost faces are like screaming out, pretty wild. Yeah, that's actually looking pretty sick on video. Like it's super nice. Yeah, then we did also that one last time. That was the last session, man. Yeah.
That was the last one.
And then we probably will. All this still needs some more work, but maybe we can steal this arm. What was the first one? First ribs was that?
First one was ribs.
Yeah. That's his first session, first ever. So he's like, "Can I have a day session on my rib cage?" And I was like, "Yeah." And then the same day, he's like, no, you already booked 2 days back to back."
Booked 2 days back to back.
Yeah, obviously. And then that was the next day.
This arm.
Yeah, and then we also still need to add shitloads of little stuff, but we just basically maximize on quantity now. All this is grey wash packed in solid, so it looks a bit punchy because it's all hairy. But that's the thing I say in videos is like when you make it packed, it's light tone, but it's just jam packed. It's not gonna go anywhere. And this also was half you designing and half me designing and redesigning.
We designed it in 45 minutes, didn't we?
Yeah, it was a quick one, chop all together, and then that was it. What are we gonna do next session? Next session there, yeah. Yeah, that was that. So it's gonna be matchy. Yeah. And then basically 1 or 2 roses, more smoke, more screamy face there. And then we'll see.
Then it's the neck.
The next ones, huh? So you guys, if you have any recommendations, we need for that area, and we need that area. So basically it doesn't look like it's a cut there, but it goes all the way up to his. You probably need to join your beard, basically.
Maybe.
That's literally, if you look in the mirror, if you would join to your beard, it would just look cool.
I'm happy to take recommendations for this.
Because I think like this gives you a black shade, and then if you get it to literally there.
Haven't shaved today.
Yeah, but that's why. I think now you know to where to go.
Yeah.
I probably would. And then if you go like a clean cut there, then, well, not clean cut, but that's where your hairline is, and that's where that is. If you make that,
yeah,
you have like a armor. It's pretty jacked. You look massive. You take all the screen. Oh yeah, you are. Yeah. So yeah, that's what I've been using. That's where I've been sleeping. And then ink wise, 100% black, and then dark, which is the grey wash from Allegory. That's the dark one. And then we got basically 4, 3, 2, 1 water. Don't know, what did I use? 5, 7 liners for small details, 59 mag for shading. There's extra needle, which I don't know what that is. I can't touch them. But yeah, that's been today, and then we have a big mess to clean now. Sound.